Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. This is MK. This is Note 5 AI Xiaomi latest smartphone. Today I'm going to show you the speed test of this phone or the performance of this phone. I just used this phone for 2 or 3 months. Now I give you the final speed test of this phone. So before start, I must say this is a Xiaomi's latest smartphone run with Android 8.1 Oreo and 9.6 MIUI. You can see from here. It's 3GB RAM or 32GB ROM version. So let's start the speed test. First, gallery, then store. YouTube, UCam, share it, bitmate, KineMaster Pro, now as planned 9, the most latest game for Android. If you want to see the other tests like battery drain test, battery test, or camera test, or 4K video test, you must subscribe this channel for more. And you also watch the other videos, other smartphone reviews, and you also, if you watch the video of this phone gaming test, you just subscribe this channel. I will put on it. This is a speed test of Xiaomi Note 5 AI. I just back. Yes. If I open the other videos like Blue Star, open camera, Google Chrome, music app, and finally MI video. This is it. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?